It's a tasty Meatless Monday. We're making corn and black bean empanadas. Let's gather the ingredients. A half a lime, some fresh cilantro, pepper jack cheese, black beans, corn kernels, 2 tablespoons of salsa, empanada wrappers, cilantro and garlic paste, Cuban seasoning blend, Goya sazon, and about 1/4 of a red pepper and onion chopped. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your olive oil and saute your onions, peppers, and garlic. Drain your black beans and then add in when your onions begin to become translucent. Give it a stir and add in your corn as well. Then stir in about a good tablespoon or 2 of your cilantro paste according to your taste. Then season with a package of Goya sazon and also a good sprinkling of your Cuban blend. Stir in about 2 heaping tablespoons of salsa. Give it a stir and on medium-low heat, let the flavors come together. After about 2 minutes, add in your chopped cilantro and give that lime a good squeeze. Then remove the pan from the heat and set aside for about 10 minutes to cool. After it has cooled, begin to prepare your empanada wrappers by using a rolling pin to thin them out slightly. Then fill with about 2 tablespoons of your mixture and your cheeses, being sure not to overfill. Then use egg wash to seal the edges and a fork to crimp the sides. We want to make sure we don't lose any of that filling when it's time to fry. If you have time, place them in the refrigerator for at least a half an hour. Then fry them up in your hot oil until they're golden brown. Then serve them up with your favorite dipping sauces, perhaps some salsa or some sour cream or some guac will go good. But having these plain all by itself is just as tasty. Enjoy, y'all.